Hello, my friend, and welcome back to the podcast. This is a calm and relaxing place where you can learn English slowly and comfortably. In this podcast, we learn English through simple stories and clear explanations. I speak slowly, I use simple sentences, and I repeat important ideas to help you understand. So please relax. You can listen while you walk, while you drink coffee, or while you rest after a long day. Today, we will talk about a very powerful idea from a famous book called Atomic Habits. This idea is about small habits. Small habits can change your life. Yes, very small actions can create very big results in the future. Let us start with a simple question. What is a habit? A habit is something you do again and again. You do it many times. You do it so often that you sometimes do it without thinking. For example, brushing your teeth in the morning is a habit. Drinking coffee every morning can be a habit. Looking at your phone many times a day can also become a habit. Habits can be good. Reading books is a good habit. Exercising is a good habit. Listening to English every day is a very good habit. But some habits are not good. For example, staying up very late every night, eating too much junk food, or spending many hours watching videos on your phone. So habits are powerful. They quietly shape our life, little by little, day by day. This is the main idea of atomic habits. Small habits repeated every day can create big change. Let us imagine two people. The first person improves just a little every day, only 1% better every day. The second person becomes 1% worse every day. At the beginning, the difference is very small, almost impossible to see. But after many months, the difference becomes very big. One person becomes stronger and more successful. The other person becomes weaker and less successful. Why? Because of small daily habits. Let me repeat that idea. Small actions repeated every day create powerful results.
There was a young man named Daniel. Daniel wanted to read more books, but he always had the same problem. He said, "I will start tomorrow." But tomorrow never came. Every night he watched videos on his phone. Every night he felt too tired to read. One day, Daniel learned a simple idea. He decided to start very small. Not 1 hour of reading, not even 30 minutes, only 2 minutes. Yes, only 2 minutes of reading every night. The first night, he read 2 pages. The second night, he read 3 pages. After 1 week, reading started to feel easy. After 1 month, Daniel was reading 20 minutes every night. After 6 months, he finished many books. What changed? Daniel did not suddenly become a different person. He simply started with a very small habit. Small habits are easy to start. Small habits are easy to continue. And when you repeat them every day, they slowly grow bigger. Many people try to change their life very quickly. They say, "Tomorrow I will wake up at 5 in the morning. Tomorrow I will go to the gym every day. Tomorrow I will study English for 2 hours." But after a few days, they stop. The change is too big. The brain feels stress. The brain says this is difficult, so the habit disappears. But small habits feel easy. 1 push-up, 1 page of reading, 10 minutes of English listening. Your brain says this is easy. And because it is easy, you continue. Again and again, day after day. Slowly the habit becomes part of your life.
Now let us talk about learning English. Many learners say, "I will study English 3 hours every day." But this is difficult. Life is busy, work is busy, and soon the plan stops. Instead, try something simple. Listen to English for 10 minutes every day. Just 10 minutes. You can listen while walking. You can listen while cooking. You can listen before sleeping. 10 minutes every day becomes a strong habit. After 1 month, you listen to English for many hours. After 1 year, you listen to English for more than 60 hours. This is the power of small habits. Small actions every day create big results. There is another powerful idea. This idea is about identity. Identity means who you believe you are. If someone believes, "I am not a reader," they will not read books. But if they start thinking,
I am a person who reads, their behavior slowly changes. The same thing is true for English learning. Instead of saying, my English is bad, try saying, I am an English learner. Say, I am improving my English every day. This small change in thinking is powerful. Your identity shapes your actions, and your actions create your habits. Let us repeat the main idea again. Small habits matter. Tiny habits matter. Very small actions matter, because these actions repeat every day, day after day, week after week, month after month, and slowly they build a new life. Big success does not come from one big action. Big success comes from many small actions repeated every day. Now I want to encourage you. If you are listening to this podcast, you are already improving your English. Learning a language takes time. Learning a language requires patience. But you do not need to be perfect. You only need to improve a little every day. Listen to English every day. Speak a little every day. Learn a few new words every day. Small progress is still progress. And if you continue, your English will become stronger, slowly, naturally, step by step. Today we talked about a powerful idea from Atomic Habits. Small habits create big change. Start small. Start easy. Repeat the habit every day, and slowly your life will change. Remember this. Consistency is more important than intensity. Your daily actions shape your future. So continue listening, continue learning, continue improving. Little by little, your English will grow, and I will see you again in the next episode. Until then, take care, keep learning, and keep moving forward.